Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to install and set up Visual Studio Code on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Open your favorite browser and at the very top in the search bar, type VS Code. Once you have typed it, hit enter, VS space code, like this. Once you hit the enter, you will get the results code.visualstudio.com. Please make sure that you only visit code.visualstudio.com and I will click on that. And a window will appear like this: Code Editing Redefined, Visual Studio Code, download for Windows. Now you can also download for Mac OS, for Linux, and if you want to use for x64, you can download it from here. So I'm using x64. I'll just click on download and a very small file of 89 MB will be downloaded and it will be opening in few seconds. So we will wait for 4 more seconds to download and install. I'll just minimize it and very soon we will have an option to install the Visual Studio Code, and I can see the setup Microsoft Visual Studio Code, and I'll click on I accept and I'll click on next and again next. We don't have to make any changes here and I'll click on next again. So you can see it's going to install here and I'll click on install. So within 5 minutes you can install Microsoft Visual Studio Code and it's downloading and installing the software for you. So it's almost done and it says extracting files and it says launch Visual Studio Code and I'll click on finish and here we go. We have successfully installed VS Code here, and you can also see that you can browse here and you can start doing things, start using Visual Studio Code. You can also select the dark modern or like themes, and I'll keep it the basic or the light one, and then you can use it. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.